Okay, it is, let's see here, 2:30 in the morning, 2:35 in the morning, and today is June 1st. June 1st. And it's occurred to me lately, after a lot of really big healing from much trauma I experienced long ago, and I buried because it was the most painful thing that I ever went through in my life. And it occurred to me after watching my own cries, my own story, that I'm finally not too afraid to share because I'm here watching my own video again and again and again, and sure, I released it into the wild, but I'm the one who needed the video. That video was for me. That video was so I could hear my own voice and get all the voices that told me that I wasn't a good singer and I should stick with acting because I wasn't a good singer, and all the people that I've told that I wanted to be on the stage, all the people. So lately I got into a community that has been really amazing and has helped me come out of a hole that I buried myself in long ago. So instead of crying, instead of being terrified that people are going to hurt me because that's what they've always done before, I decided that I would let you all in because I need to show you the truth. I can't hide anymore. And I'm tired of people coming into my home and telling me that I need to clean, or I have a mess, or do I have kids, or do I have this, or do I have that, and asking me all these questions and questions and questions without really showing me anything, without showing me that they really care. I mean, yeah, some people have done extraordinary things for me, and so those are not the people that I'm referring to. And I don't want to hold this bitterness inside me anymore. I don't want to feel like I have to run away and erase myself because I don't fit in with everybody else. I know that I've never fit in. Not one time. And I think I'm supposed to stop trying to fit in. I think I'm just supposed to embrace myself and love myself because I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. I'm unique. And as I tell people, I've lived in high rises, I've lived in basement apartments, but the one thing that's always stayed with me through it all is my art. I can always go there, whether it's sculpture or painting or writing or singing or fish tank carrying or encouraging other people, complimenting other people. And for 3 years, I've been posting online, trying to come up with every single creative way to make this new life that I was told that I had to have work. I had to have the house because there's more equity in a house than a rental. But the house, they don't tell you, though I have been taking care of my 100-year-old childhood home for since I was 12. Been, in the swamp in the basement. I've painted the walls. I've torn wallpaper down. I've repaired the roof. I've been on the roof. I've shingled the roof. I've done the plumbing. So people come to me and they tell me things that are just absolutely ridiculous. Telling me things that I know how to do. Yeah, I don't know how to be a married woman and comply and submit to some man who abuses me. I don't know how to do that, no. I don't know how to do that, and I haven't succeeded. So instead, I found Jesus. I found Jesus in my lowest moments, in my dream car that was actually a nightmare. But I did it. I did it with Jesus. So instead of people coming in here and telling me, when I finally bring them into my home and share with them my struggles, and they see my walls and they go, have you ever heard of Notebook? Have I ever heard of a notebook? Okay, let me see. Have I ever heard of a notebook? Have I ever heard of a notebook? Have I ever heard of a notebook? Oh boy, have I. These are all my notebooks. These aren't all my notebooks. These are the notebooks that I have found so far, minus probably the 5 that I write in on an everyday basis, all the time. And everyone sees me writing constantly. And people make jokes. What, are you taking notes? No, I'm actually lost in my favorite place in the entire world, my own mind, because it's the only solace that I have had my entire life. No matter who comes or goes, or who tells me I can or I cannot, I have me. And right now, I have holes in my walls. I have a hose that goes from what I thought would be a wonderful laundry situation to something that flooded my basement. By basement, my bathroom, because I don't have a basement, for good reason, because basements are evil. That's what I've concluded, because I have once, after the 4 millionth time of fixing the sump pump in the basement and cleaning the nasty basement, walked down to find that a critter had chewed through my expensive sump pump, which I got a grant to get for my childhood home. I got the grants. I found the grants. I got a grant to get this home. I did. When other people told me I wouldn't be able to get a house because of who I was. Well, here's my house, and here's my stuff. And I found a way to make money by selling my junk, by turning my joy of finding trash on the curb into money. And people come in here, a friend, a trusted friend, came in here and cornered me right here after 10 times because I wanted to take my boys to the ocean and I wanted to get away from a man who didn't care about me or his wife. And it's a theme. It's a theme. So who did I make that for? I don't care. Video. Who did I make it for? It seems like just about everybody that ever talks to me in one sense or another. See? So this is the life of an independent mom. I'm the one who does the dishes. And when I try to get my son to do the dishes, he normally fights back. And I don't have the energy for it. Here's the beautiful refrigerator that blessed me when I was out of a refrigerator for over a month. But I didn't want to tell anyone. Because when I come up with creative ideas, like a GoFundMe page to pay for my house, my own family comes out and laughs at me and tells me it's a joke. Because they don't know how much I'm struggling. They don't know that I had a dog that I loved, but that would not obey me and continually peed on the carpet and brought in fleas because I thought the nice fenced-in backyard that I had would be adequate enough for him to go and enjoy. But unfortunately, fleas. And do you know what it's like to be a mom, exhausted, doing everything she can, everything everybody told her to do, go to college, get the job, do the thing, do the thing, do the thing, and it's not working. So I try to tell people my dreams, my own unique way, and they tell me to keep my day job. Well, my day job is killing me, so I'm done.